loves, it's Anam and welcome back. I am excited to do, as you've seen in my title, a Real Techniques brush haul. During this quarantine, I don't think I've ever done so much online shopping in my life, and since I wasn't really wearing any makeup, I'm wearing makeup today because I had a photo shoot, but since I'm not really wearing any makeup, I didn't really want to go back to my old brushes. I kind of wanted to start new, so that's what I'm going to be talking about today. I'm so excited to tell you what brushes I got and sponges. And if this is your first time on my channel, hello. I post videos up every single Friday about my life, about things that I love, and I actually love reviewing products. It's my favorite thing. So if you like any of that stuff, hit the red button down below and join me. So let's get straight into the brushes. I'll kind of like hold up what I bought. Hopefully it doesn't like fall, but dun 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 dun. Look at this. I'm so excited. I think when Real Techniques was coming out, I got like one of their sponges or brushes and I had it for the longest time, and then I just stopped using it and I like just used brushes. And so these are actually not opened. I haven't opened them yet. I got them in the mail, but I wanted to wait and film a video for you loves to show you. And you're probably asking, well, Anam, how the heck did you put makeup on your face today? I actually used and bought some new Amazon brushes that I always swear by, and I'll link those down below. So they're like 10 bucks, and I was like, let's just get a new set and use that before I actually dive in and use the Real Techniques. So first things first, look at this. This is one of the things that I got. It's the Real Techniques Face and Eye and Cheek Everyday Essentials collection. I really wanted to get this because I was thinking through my brushes and I'm like, I literally do not use half of those brushes at all, and so I was like, I kind of want to use brushes that I could take along with me. It's not a lot, and so I decided, let's go with this brand, this set, because it literally has everything, and I try and go for a very minimal look. So let's get in here, but before we open it, it comes with a blush, foundation, shadow, highlighter, and concealer brush all combined into it. Like, this is literally, it was like, I think this was like 20 bucks, I think. I will post all of that down below, but I was like, this is a steal. This would be great for any one of your girlfriends, and I honestly think you could just take this wherever you go. And so let's just open it real quick. Okay, just look at it. It's so pretty, like the coloring on it, and literally their brushes are so soft. Like, this is what you want like grazing on your skin when you're putting your makeup on, and I just think it's so pretty. I'm going to take out at least one of the brushes. What is this brush? It actually tells you what the name of the brush is. Expert Face Brush. So I usually use a round brush for my foundation, and so this would be like perfect to just like stipple it in on your face and like just swipe it in a motion too as well. I do more stippling so I get that more natural effect, but I do swipe it on the first time I put foundation on my face and then stipple it after. But yeah, I really like it. It's really pretty. It's like nice and light, and I am all about it. So all the brushes feel like that. They have different shapes for different reasons. If you want me to do like an everyday look with this essential everyday brush kit, then let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, next set I actually love playing with my eyes, and for special occasions and events and maybe Halloween, I like dressing up my eyes a little bit. So I was like, I kind of need a brush that I could use for multiple occasions. So I got their Eye Shade and Blend for Shadow Brush Kit. It's these cute little brushes. I love them. This is like the round fluffy brush, and then this is like a smaller round fluffy brush, just to get that very natural kind of a look when you're doing and blending your shadows in. And so these are just so cute. I cannot wait to put this in my bag and use them. Okay, last but not least, I got a lot of different sponges because I always want to like monitor my sponges because they could get dirty and you want to make sure you keep them clean. And so I got the Miracle Complexion sponge for foundation and BB cream, and then I got the 4 mini Miracle Complexion sponges for foundation, concealer, powder, and highlighter. Now, look how cute these are. Like, I absolutely love them. They're just honestly, like, really adorable. Let's see if I can actually open one of these. And I washed my hands before this, so my hands are clean. But here is one of the small little round sponges. Look how cute that is. And then obviously when you wet the sponge, it does expand and get a little bit bigger. And so it has like this nice like end where you could literally put on your concealer and then just like blend it out, and then you have the little corner too that would help as well. So I love that. It's so soft. And it's just so cute. Everyone just loves small, cute things. I do, at least. Like baby clothes. Oh my gosh, don't even get me started. I could talk about that forever. And then lastly, I got another sponge, but the reason why I got another sponge was because this sponge came with a little outer sponge case, because when you travel, you don't want to just like put your sponge in like a bag, which you can do, but this comes with a case and it's just nice and simple, and then you don't have to worry about trying to figure out how to fit your sponge in like your makeup case or your luggage bag. So yeah, these are the different little sponges and brushes that I got from Real Techniques. I love them. This video is not sponsored by them. I just have followed Nicole and Sam. They have a YouTube channel. Those are the owners. I will link them down below. And they created these brushes because they are phenomenal makeup artists, and they just really knew kind of like what the cosmetic industry needed, and I literally swear by these. I love them and I can't wait to use them back again. So if you liked this video, if you like this review, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to mention that in the comments section down below. But I will definitely be doing some looks with this kit, but I will let you know when those come. But I really hope all of you loves have a really great week, day, night, or whatever time of day it is, or wherever you're watching this, and know that I love you so much. I hope you're doing so well, and I will see you next week. I wonder if this microphone would work. Dang it. I didn't know it